Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Healthy. My name is Sahil, and today we'll discuss something about Bitcoin, which I'm very curious to discuss actually because a lot of people have been asking me why Bitcoin, and we will also study some of the charts, what's going on in the Bitcoin's current price, and if you stay till the end, I will give you a bonus cryptocurrency which is going to explode in next couple of months. Watch the video till the last, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. Hit the like button so that you can get all the uh, updates regularly, and also click on the bell button. Okay, so here we go. So a lot of people have been asking me about Bitcoin. So why Bitcoin? So first of all, I would like to tell you that Bitcoin has been outperforming gold in the last 10 years. So the returns of the on Bitcoin have been year. If you see the year-on-year returns, they are more than gold. Yes, it is volatile, and if you see, in the past when gold was new, gold was also volatile. So every asset which is new is always volatile. But Bitcoin has been outperforming gold for last 10 years. So this is the one reason which is why I everybody should study what is Bitcoin and why it is important. I made a video about what is Bitcoin. I'll leave a link in the description and I'll leave a link above so you can see that video and you'll know what is Bitcoin. Now why Bitcoin? Because it has been outperforming, so it doesn't mean it will keep on outperforming. It will keep on outperforming. Now, why I feel it will outperform, why it is better than gold is because it is much more portable than gold. You cannot carry gold to anywhere. It is much more accessible. Whenever you want to access your Bitcoin, your money, you can access it over the internet. It is transparent. You can see the open ledger, which is available to everybody on the Bitcoin blockchain. And the another thing is storage. You need a lot of space to store Bitcoin, but here what you need, all you need is your wallet. That is it. So this is why these are some of the few reasons which I feel. Moreover, Bitcoin cannot be accessed by anyone. If you're storing gold in your house, someone else can access, but Bitcoin is yours. No one else can access it. It cannot be devalued. The best part about it is inflation free. So it cannot be devalued like gold. Let's say if the government decides, we are not going to use the uh, gold, or gold backed fiat currency. Our fiat currency is backed by gold. So if the government decides that we are not going to use our fiat currency anymore, so that's it. They can do it. They can demonetize, they can devalue. So it cannot happen with Bitcoin. Moreover, it cannot be stopped by any border. So if you want to carry gold to another country, it's very difficult. So, however, you can carry your Bitcoin, you can, carry your Bitcoin anywhere in the world you want. It cannot be, once again, as I said, it cannot be monopolized by any corporation. So, this is the reason, yes, I feel this is why Bitcoin is so important and why one should keep on investing in Bitcoin. And if you want to invest one time and hold it, it's your choice. But so this is why I feel Bitcoin is so important, that you should invest in it. So these were the few reasons that I feel Bitcoin is important. So we will talk about Bitcoin every day for next couple of weeks. So this is the first episode that I wanted to tell you the basic reasons why we should invest in Bitcoin. Now let's just go ahead and see what Bitcoin is doing, what are the charts saying, and what is the latest in cryptocurrency. Here is the Bitcoin chart. You can see it is trading around 57,000. So as we discussed earlier, 55,005-ish is actually a very good support for Bitcoin, and it is right now, it is support, it is actually maintaining that support level. And 60,000 is an important level. So if you see the last 7 days, this 55,900 right now, as I said, 55,500 was my actually prediction for the support, and it has rebounded from there three times actually now in last 7 days. So it is very important for it now to go ahead and break 60,000. Once it does that, we can see the all-time highs again. So it's actually a holiday season, so there is not a lot of volatility. So you can imagine once the holidays are over, I'm sure there is going to be some volatility. Now, let's see some news here which says Bitcoin overtakes PayPal on value transferred and set sites on MasterCard. So, this is very big news that Bitcoin is actually, people are not afraid, even though governments are trying to put regulations, but people are still trading, and, things are going well in the right direction. So, another one says US Senator asked Coinbase and Gemini, Binance, Tether, how they are protecting their consumers. Be cheated. Moreover, I've also read a news where, Gemini, Binance, and Tether, who are using their own US stable coin, they have also been questioned on how they are using it. And so maybe, government are trying to get their own currency into it. So we have to be very careful on the news, but there is not much news right now. It's holiday season in, as I said, in the US. So we are not expecting a lot of movement, but let's see what goes on. Previous bull cycle indicates this about Bitcoin prices. So let's see what it indicates. It says it should overtake sluggish sentiments and has predicted a rise in bond yields. It's renewed. A top bank has renewed its target for $146,000 for Bitcoin in long run, and in short term they are saying 73,000. JP Morgan is actually not so bullish on Bitcoin. They are continuing to say it's a hysteria. So everybody has their choices. Let's see how soon people adopt to it. So these were the news. So market is quite, as I said, the market is pretty much, in a stable. It's not so volatile. So if you are a leverage trader, yeah, you should enjoy this time actually, because leverage trader generally needs volatility. If the market is volatile, a leverage trader will earn the money very quickly. So as I promised you all, I will give you a bonus cryptocurrency, and before I give you that, I want you to subscribe my channel, like the video. So this is actually the bonus cryptocurrency that I was talking about. It's called D-Travel. It is going to be launched within this week. I think today or tomorrow it will be launched on a few exchanges. This is actually the Airbnb of decentralized world, of cryptocurrency, of blockchain, whatever you want to say. So I think this is going to be very huge. On Airbnb, the Airbnb people decides what listings are to be listed. But as I said, decentralized travel, you will be seeing a lot of things which we have not seen yet. So this is actually my bonus cryptocurrency that I want you guys to go ahead and do your own research. And if you feel like you can invest into it, as I said, this is not a financial advice. So but I am very optimistic about it. So you can go ahead and look into it. So if you like the video, if you have any questions about Bitcoin, why we should pursue Bitcoin, you can write it down in the comment box right below. And if you have any questions on D-Travel, where to buy it, if you're not able to find it, let me know. I will go ahead and let you know that. So as I said, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell notification, because these are time sensitive videos. If you do not get the notifications, these videos can be of no use in future. So